What is Asian regionalism? Asian regionalism is a functional relation that bundle multiple nations with political, economic, and cultural inheritance, often based on the geographical advantage. And Asian regionalism can help to sustain global economic progress at a time when other major regions are reaching economic majority, and focuses on the relationship between ideas and politics and examines rapid growth of Asian economy, financial stability, and regional economic integration. Most Asian economies have made remarkable progress in reducing poverty. Regional integration fosters inclusive development. Government need to connect the poor to the thriving regional economy by eliminating labor market barrier, investing in workers' capabilities, and building infrastructure connect and advantage regions economic center. It is a political ideology that favors specific regions over greater area. Asia extraordinary success has brought new challenges while rapid economic growth remains a priority. Citizen demand that is also sustainable and more inclusive. Regional economic is a in which two or more countries are agree to eliminate economic barriers with the end goal of enchanting productivity and achieving greater economic independence. Regionalism is the idea that political power and influence is stricken in specific geographic regions by unity of nation-state known as blocks. They are united by their shared goals, incentives, interests, and aims. It has responded to cultural globalization through an increase in cultural identity and the rise of regionalist parties, and the benefits of regionalism allow for all interested partners to work together for a common cause. The drawbacks of regionalism include the possibility to each people in the city or country to lose their respective independence, and it can have a positive and negative consequences. It might promote local development, protect the local cultural manifestation, and bring favorable conditions to certain regions that might have been historically relegated by the administration.